Dzień dobry and welcome again to another episode of Mango Daddy Kitchen. For today's recipe we're gonna make rice. Actually one pot rice. It's a recipe that I remember for as long as I lived. My family always makes it for Sundays. It's a bit weird because it has some sultanas. It starts as a risotto but then ends up as a one pot in the oven and finishes in the oven. And for the Polish it would be Maltański z boczkiem I pieczarkami. So it's rice with mushrooms and bacon. So without further ado, let's start. First things first, I'm gonna start with the oven, 180 degrees. So that's preheating. We will need a Pyrex dish with the lid or some other dish with the lid. And we start by chopping 2 onions. We chop some garlic. We slice the mushrooms. And last but not least, the bacon. Now we move to the stove, so we start. We put it on. We put the butter, a little bit of olive oil. We put the onions and the garlic to give them a bit of color. So basically, as you see, it has this first stage is like an Italian risotto. In the meantime, while the onions are getting a bit of color, we give a coating to the pot, the Pyrex pot that we're gonna put in the oven. So the rice doesn't stick. Now we add the rice, so it gets a bit of coloring. So as you see, it's exactly like a risotto. So once it gets some color, it's time to add the bacon to the pot, mushrooms, half a cup of sultanas or raisins, 1 cup of cider, either 4 large tomatoes cut in cubes or tomato polpa, 1 tablespoon of concentrate, a dash of sugar to kill the acidity, and the beef stock, salt and pepper, and a couple of bay leaves. Once it's boiling, now it goes to the Pyrex dish. Give it a good mix again, so everything is all nice and mixed together. Lid and off to the oven until all the liquid is absorbed. Now it may take 20 minutes, it depends on your oven again. So we left it in the oven for around 25 minutes until all the water was evaporated. Let's check it out. That smells lovely. Let's portion it. Some Parmesan on top. What you hear is my kid, so I'm sorry about that. So there it is. The rice, the one pot rice. Easy, quick, and delicious. As usual. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like. And I'll see you in another video for next week. Thanks and bye.